Charles Dickens once said, "No one is useless in this world who lightens the burden of another." What an apt way to describe the many artists I've met in my travels. Far from the spotlight of celebrity, often underpaid and working in exceedingly challenging circumstances, these sensitive souls are committed to their craft, giving both travelers and locals the gift of beauty, inspiration, and hope. Let's revisit just a few on and off the grid destinations where artists are working overtime to lighten our collective burden. It's time to discover the art of travel. It's time for Raw Travel.
Travel. For some, it's a luxurious escape, or maybe an adrenaline-filled adventure. But if you're like me, it's a precious opportunity to discover and to give back. It's time to get real. It's time to get raw. It's time for Raw Travel.